Every day, millions reach for a simple bottle of ketchup. They see red, they see sweetness, they see familiarity.
But behind that innocent squeeze lies an industrial world most of us never witness. It starts far from your table, deep inside sprawling factories. Truckloads of tomatoes arrive. The volume is staggering. The process is relentless. Each tomato is inspected, washed, stripped of every imperfection. Here, nothing is wasted. Nothing is random. On the sorting lines, machines hum like silent sentinels. Only the strongest, ripest, most perfect tomatoes survive. The rest? Discarded. Every movement is calculated. Every second accounted for. Next, the tomatoes enter giant steel cauldrons. Heat crushes them. Steam rises. The transformation begins. Sugar, salt, vinegar, spices. Ingredients are measured with precision, blended into the formula.
The mixture is then filtered, leaving no seed, no skin, no flaw. It becomes a smooth, thick, unbroken paste. Every batch is tested. Every batch is controlled. Color, consistency, taste. Fail even slightly, and it is rejected. Then, the final stage, bottling. Automated lines fill, seal, and label at lightning speed.
Thousands of bottles per hour, moving with ruthless efficiency. No pause. No error. So the next time you reach for ketchup, remember, it is not just a condiment. It is the product of secrecy, precision, in a hidden industrial world operating silently behind every bottle you pour.